I'm Dabito. I'm a designer, photographer, and now an author. Check out my book, Oh Brand New. It's out now. It's all about colorful homes for maximal living. The three main things that I want to refresh in my living space are the seating, the lighting, and artworks. An important step for decorating is mood boarding because you can gather all the materials and create a color story. The next step is floor plan. So you cut pieces and put it in like a graph paper and move things around to see how things work in the space. Now the fun part begins, but before we start, I'm gonna take a break. Yes! The first thing that I always think about in a space is always the flow. I chose a Remy modular sofa because it was really important for me to have pieces where I can actually bring into my space one at a time. I kind of like this. Let's see how it works. Here we are. This is a little bit too muted. That's not gonna work, but that's the fun part. You don't know until you try. Don't be afraid of filling up your space. You can always edit, remove things, but add. We wanna look educated. So I like to use black accents. Here I have the black squiggly lines. That helps make a colorful space feel more elevated and grounded. The living room is done. I love it so much. It was so fun and easy to design. All I had to do was create a mood board and a floor plan, and I brought it to life with a lot of paintings and artworks and beautiful colors. You can do this too. Don't overthink it. For more tips, just get my book, Oh Brand New.